Hey friends, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete photos or videos from Android device. Open your gallery. This is where all your photos and videos are stored. Browse through your albums or scroll through the main feed to find the photos or videos you want to remove. Once you've selected them, tap the delete symbol and tap again to move them to the trash or recently deleted folder. But that's not the end. On Android, deleted files aren't gone immediately. They're stored in the trash folder for a limited time. To permanently delete them, tap the menu icon within the Gallery app and select Trash or Recently Deleted. Here, you'll see all the photos and videos you've recently removed. Tap the More option, then select Empty Trash or Delete Permanently. Confirm your action and these files will be completely removed from your device. By doing this, you free up storage space and make sure sensitive or unwanted media is fully erased. Boom! That's how it's done. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more super quick Android tips. Got your own tips? Share them in the comments. I'm watching.